Hey guys, it's Lucas Creations here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a background. So if you have a photo like this with a simple one color background, you just click on the magic wand tool, you press on the background color you want to delete, and you hit backspace. You could be left with some of these words on the bottom. You want to control D after you get rid of this. Control D to deselect, and then you grab the eraser. You just get rid of that, and now you have just the stormtrooper or whatever you guys wanted to keep. Now for a different instance, say we had a photo like this one, and I wanted to get rid of everything but just keep the Doritos bag. See how it's different colors? You could do each color with the magic wand, but that could screw up. See how it's taking part of the Dorito bag? Control D. So now you can either use the pen tool. You want to change this to a path. You follow this entire, it has it as a shape, let me get it as a path. So you change it to path, make sure it's on path. You follow your entire edge of which you want to cut out. Like so. You can do it a lot. You can do it quick, you could do a rough cut, you could do a much better cut. You click make selection, select, inverse, backspace. Make sure it's rasterized, backspace, and now you just have the Doritos. Another way you could do it is you could obviously erase around the entire thing, but the pen is just much easier. Or you could use the magic wand like I said, you just have to click on each layer. So if this video helped you, hit that like button, hit the subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and I will see you guys later. Peace.